Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install peak mods. Very easy. First I want you to go ahead and download Bepinex, okay? So download this and then I want you to open up your Steam and come to the left hand panel, find peak and then just right click on it, hover over manage and click on browse local files. And from here what I want you to go ahead and do is just go ahead and get your Bepinex extracted. Just copy everything, okay, on this folder right here. So let's go back, click on Bepinex pack, and then highlight all of this, and then copy and paste it into the peak folder that we had opened, okay? And now what I want you to go ahead and do is just start up a peak, and once peak has started up, you can just close it once it's loaded up, and then go to your peak folder in your file explorer, open up a Bepinex, come here, click on plugins. This is where you'll store your mods, okay? And then what I want you to do is just download Peak Unlimited, and then what I want you to do is just go ahead and get this peakunlimited.dll, okay? And we'll copy and paste this. Copy this and paste it. You can even drag and drop this into Peak in the plugins folder, okay? Just drag and drop, and there you go. You've basically installed Peak mod. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.